Hey, what up, everybody? This is BK from Forge Crypto Trading, and today I want to take a look at Bitcoin to the US dollar and give you guys a quick update of what I think might be going on with Bitcoin. So in my last video, we took a look at the cup and handle, and I'm going to draw that out for you guys real quick so you know what I'm talking about. So here is the cup. As you see, the cup, and then I'm going to draw the handle. It's just a parallel channel. And as you see what happened after my last video, we broke out of the handle, then we back tested it once, went up, came back down, back tested it a second time, came back up, using it as support, and then we've just been cruising along, going sideways, kind of. Now we're kind of going down a little bit, and some of you may be a little bit concerned about what's going on right now. But I'm just here to let you know that there's nothing to be concerned about. As long as we stay above $55,000, everything is all good in the hood. So just 1 second, I'm going to show you what I think might be going on, because I think we got a new pattern forming right now. Let's go check out the daily. As you see right here, we do not want to go under this point. 55K is no good. We must stay above 55K or it's time to run for the hills on Bitcoin. But for now, everything is all good. Because I think what we're forming right now is an inverse head and shoulders. So here's our left shoulder. Here's our head. And this is the potential right shoulder. Now, nothing is set in stone. It hasn't formed yet, but this is just a potential scenario that might be happening. And I think that it might be quite possible that this is what's going to happen. And I'll draw the neckline to show you what I mean. There's our neckline. So I think something like this might be going on. So I think the right shoulder is going to form. So where would that put us if this was a pattern and does come into fruition? Let's take a look at that and find out. So the way you want to do the measured move on these patterns is like many other patterns, is you go from bottom to top. Measure the bottom to the top. From the breakout point, should be about there. Put us to here, 67K. Now that's not quite the $72,000, which I said in my previous video, which is where I think we're going to probably wind up going if this cup and handle does play out. But let's take a look at the bigger picture to see like how that may take place. So I'm going to get rid of all of this now. I'll leave in our trading range that we don't want to fall out of as well. I'll put that back in. So in the big picture, we are in a rising wedge, which is a bearish pattern, but I still think there's a lot more room to go before we reach the end of this pattern. Historically, Bitcoin does very well in April and May in every single bull run. So if the trend continues and that continues to dictate the future, then we have a lot of good things to look forward to in the next couple of months here. And I don't see any reason for Bitcoin to go down right now. So here's what I think might happen. We could do something like this. Come up, come down, come up, come down, and eventually hit our 72K mark. Right there. So that's just a possible scenario that I think we might find ourselves in. And yeah, I just wanted to give an update on Bitcoin and let you guys know there's nothing to be worried about. As long as we're above 55K, everything is all good. Now, there's actually one other coin I want to take a look at as well, and that's Dogecoin. So let's take a look at that. Yeah, that's right. I said it. Dogecoin. Over here, we don't judge coins by what they are. We go strictly off the charts because that's what traders are using as charts to make their trade setup. So you don't want to ever have a bias towards a coin based off what it is. I know Dogecoin has no value and it's no good, but it really doesn't matter because the chart doesn't lie and the chart looks amazing right now. Just 1 second. I'm going to draw out what I think this is. So what this one here is an ascending triangle, and a textbook one at that. So there's our bottom trend line. Here's our top trend line. So on the bottom, we have 1 touch point, 2 touch points, 3 touch points. Top, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 touch points. Then we have the failed breakout. Now, on a pattern like this, where you would like to buy ideally is at the bottom of the pattern. So on this one, we'd want it to come down to about here. So this is what a potential long would look like if one wanted a low risk, high reward scenario. See, we put our stop loss just under the last low. And then we'd find our target like this by finding the measured move. So bottom to top. So the target would be about 8.6 cents. And you'd ideally want to buy at the bottom of the pattern. Like always buy supports because that gives us the lowest risk and the highest reward opportunity. So yeah, this one looks really good. Like really, really good. Anyways, I just wanted to show you guys this chart as well as Bitcoin to ease your minds. And yeah, if you want to join the Discord, I'd be happy to help you and teach you more stuff about crypto and how to trade. You can end the circle of losses and enter the circle of bosses. So if you like the video, like, comment, subscribe, and like I said, join the Discord. This is BK, bringing you that crypto love, and I'm out of here. Peace.